जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. Meaning, the mother and motherland are even greater than the heaven. No other land in the universe is more holier than the motherland. I do remember a story in my childhood. There was a boy who was studying 12th standard, an intelligent boy. So after completing his 12th standard, he has got a seat for BTech in IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur was a prime institute in technology in those days in India. So right from the first year onwards, that boy used to say that his ambition is to fly to US. He wants to settle in US. Not only him, even his parents were used to say like that. And at last, really, that boy went to US. Ladies and gentlemen, I do have a question for you. Is that correct, what that boy has did? Is that correct to sell the knowledge, the wisdom and intelligence to other countries? Should the youth only work for the money? They should think only for the money? In my opinion, it's no. In fact, they can establish their own entrepreneurship. They can turn as entrepreneurs, and they can provide employment to people, many people in India itself. In that way, they can also grow, and they can spread the technology as well. Even the government should support the entrepreneurs. They should support the budding technocrats instead of getting foreign MNCs into India and to providing them the special economical zones. So the youth, in that way, they can make India in a higher position in the field of technology. Ladies and gentlemen, when I say about politics, many people think that it's a waste of time. Many people think that only people who are uneducated and who waste their time only come into politics. Even the parents have the same opinion. That's why they won't encourage their children to come into politics even though if they're interested. But it is not correct. People with leadership qualities, they should come into the politics because they have the capacity to create laws. They have the capacities to run the government in an effective manner. In that way, they can build the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, today the youth are inculcating the foreign culture. They go to bed very late at night in the name of parties and pubs. But whereas the people in the foreign countries, they are inculcating our culture and they are getting at 5 a.m. in the morning itself. There was a popular book with the name 5 a.m. Club, which was written by the Indian descendant Robin Sharma. The book was very popular across the globe. So that is the situation. So not only that, they are even implementing other things like yoga and meditation and other ancient methods and techniques and procedures, and they are growing in their life. Whereas our youth are inculcating their habits and their culture and are lagging behind. Our youth should understand that health is the important thing in order to achieve anything in life. They should inculcate our own habits and they should grow in life. In that way, they can build the nation. So ladies and gentlemen, by implementing all these things, the youth in the current situation, in the youth that are available today, they can grow in life and they can build the nation. They can make India to stand in the top position among the top nations. This is Kiran signing off until we meet again.